Several months ago, I bought an early Proto 2000 diesel made by Lifelike. It was a used item that looked like it was from the 1990s. It had an exceptional paint job and very good details. The horn and headlights were replaced, and the winterization hatch was added to reflect how the Western Pacific actually outfitted their GP-9s. A total teardown repaired all the excess and hardened grease in the gearbox and the typical cracked axle gears. A TCS Cam 4 DCC controller was added, as well as all LED lighting. We recorded its first outing, pulling a local freight, and will start in the pastoral countryside approaching the yard and industrial area. Western Pacific's GP-9 number 731 was one of a group of 8 delivered in 1955. Reaching the city industries in the edge of town, will run by the Union Ice refrigerator icing service platform. The large white building makes 300-pound blocks of ice for the refrigerator cars. The icing deck can ice cars on both sides. Next is the Albers Grain Mill. Albers is well known for its flapjack mix and many other grain products. This scratch-built model was patterned after one of their factories that used to be in Portland, Oregon. Like so many diesels from the 1990s, this one had cracked axle gears. It was easy to replace them. They cracked from material shrinkage, just sitting on the shelf for years. Once repaired, it was one of the smoothest models made in that era. This is the Blue Flag Cafe, where all the local railroad workers grab a bite to eat. An SP-260 will slide by with a special fan trip passenger train. This is the interlocking tower here, patterned after the one at SP's 16th Street Station in Oakland. Visit our website to see DVDs of many fallen flag railroads and traction lines. These DVDs are found at hobby shops, museums, and numerous web sellers. They bring great pictures with accurate sound, plus our maps and narration of researched history. Our website has numerous previews to check out. We hope you have enjoyed our model railroad. It was inspired by vintage WP material on our line of DVDs. 3 of our DVDs are on the Western Pacific Railroad. They all feature wonderful color film stock seen nowhere else.